As a company, we participate in a diverse array of markets with our product composite solutions. Many customers come to us frequently with new challenges to solve problems that they're facing with their conventional materials. This is why we say the materials matter in material handling.
The ultralight composite material was developed in response to customers' inquiries and demands for a sustainable, lighter weight container that can still withstand the rigors of continuous industrial use in heavy-duty environments. We have found customers choose standard MFG composite products because they're long-lasting, possess superior physical properties over thermoplastic items. Our new ultralight formulation has to be able to comply with all these stringent properties, as well as not compromise on the durability. Many features and benefits of the ultralight to our customer base include it's 40% lighter than standard composite material, it's stronger than standard thermoplastic items, it's lighter in weight, allows for more ergonomic handling, it has potential savings in shipping costs because of the lighter weight, and as our standard components are, it's impervious to most cutting oils, detergents, mild acids, alkaline solutions in the 3.0 to 10.0 pH range. It has a high continuous operating temperature of minus 60 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lighter weight combined with exceptional rigidity is ideal for robotic and machine integration applications. The new ultralight formulation is produced with the same molds and size configurations as all our standard composite items, and it does not include any additional ribbing be added for strength as some thermoplastic items are.
Through the use of our research and development, and in cooperation with our design center, we've been able to not only design parts, but to perform finite element analysis and structural analysis of those parts, as well as build a material that solves what the customers are looking for. We look forward to working with you to solve your material handling problems.